Welcome to the today's experiment, standard Proctor compaction test. Myself Harshit, assistant professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, RIT Hassan. Compaction is the process of densification of soil mass by reducing air voids. This process should not be confused with consolidation, which is also a process of densification of soil mass, but the expulsion of water under the action of continuously acting static load over a long period. The degree of compaction of soil is measured in terms of its dry density. The degree of compaction mainly depends upon its moisture contents. For a given compaction energy, every soil attains the maximum dry density at a particular water content, which is known as optimum moisture content. In the dry side, water acts as a lubricant and helps in the closer packing of soil grains. In the wet side, water starts to occupy the space in soil grains and hinders in the closer packing of grains. The purpose of laboratory test is to determine the proper amount of water at which the given weight of soil attains maximum dry density during compaction. Coming to the procedure for conducting this experiment, first we have to take 3000 grams of representative soil of air dried, and we have to and add water to it to bring its moisture content to about 5% in coarse grained soils and 8 to 10% in fine grained soils. Then fit the collar and replace the mold on a solid base. For light compaction, compact the wet soil in 3 equal layers by the rammer of mass of 2.6 kg and a free fall from 31 cm with 25 evenly distributed blows in each layer of 10 cm diameter mold and 56 blows for 5 cm diameter mold. Alternatively, for heavy compaction, compact the soil using the rammer of mass 4.89 kg and free fall of 45 cm in 5 layers, and each layer being given 25 blows for 10 cm diameter mold and 56 blows for 15 cm diameter mold. Then remove the collar and trim off the soil flush with the top of the mold. In the remaining collar, rotate it, break the bond between it and the soil before lifting it off the mold. Clean the outside of the mold and base plate and weigh the mold with soil sample and base plate. Then afterwards, remove the soil from the mold to obtain a representative soil sample from the bottom, middle and top for water content determination. Then we have to repeat the above procedure with approximately from 8, 11, 14 and 17% of water on a coarse grained soil samples and 12, 15, 18 and 21% of water content for a fine grained soil samples approximately. Then finally we have to plot a graph between water content in the percentage on x-axis and dry density on y-axis. Then we will get one smooth curve. That curve is called as compaction curve, which is helpful for determining the optimum moisture content. Thank you.